Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a few DIYs inspired by Chanel. I'm really excited about it, so let's get right into the video. Remember that all the items that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So in the first DIY, we'll be making a Chanel book. And so I'm really excited about this, and I'll be using that gem wrap right there. I purchased that at the Crafter Square in the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, and I'm really excited about them. I got to pick up some more because I'm absolutely loving them. So these are the letters I'm using to place on the side of the book, and then we will seal that in with Mod Podge. So what I'm doing here is I'm wrapping that gem wrap where the pages would open instead of Mod Podging the pages. It's easier for me because nobody will be touching this book. It's only for area decor. So I placed a gem wrap around that area where the book would open, and then we're going to embellish with gems, and then we're all done. This came out absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoy it. Let's move on to the next craft. Okay, so here we have some clear gems. I purchased those at the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I stockpile. Then we'll be decorating that jar with those gems around the lid. We'll be using some bling wrap, and here are some silver stickers that I got in the crafter section. So now I decided to use that Beacon 527 glue that I purchased at Walmart because I find that this adhesive, it's a permanent adhesive, but it does not fog the gems, just so that you know, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay. So here we're going to wrap some bling wrap around the bottom of the jar, and then we're going to embellish with some gems. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I'm loving the results of this. It is so glam. The Dollar Tree also carries these clear jars with the clear lids. I'm absolutely loving that. So we're going to embellish with items that I purchased in the Crafter Square section. So let's jump into this one. So this jar, being a little bit more simple than the one we just previously did, came out absolutely classy. It came out so glam. It looks gorgeous. Container here. I love the scallop edging, but I saw a technique, and I'm going to give a shout out to Peddler's Blush for this technique. I saw her doing it and I'm absolutely loving it. She taped off the vase and then she poured the paint on the inside of the container. That has made life so much easier for me. I just love that. So a shout out to you, Peddler's Blush. And so we will continue with this. We will embellish and then we will end with a bouquet of white roses.